Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Pari. Welcome to my channel Sarikaman. So, today we are going to make a vegetable painting with a fruit. In Hindi we called it bear. Okay. So it will be eaten in the fast of Mahashivratri. So today I'll let you know how to make the bear veggie fruit painting, and let's start. So let me shift my screen to the table. So this is my paintbrush, my paints. This is the fruit that we called a bear. So, and I have a knife. And if you are, please cut it from your parents. And if you are 10 years old, so you can cut it, but carefully. So, like I have cut it like this part only. So, let's start. So these are, and which color you want? Like I'm taking my red color, red and yellow. Only this colors. Okay. First we use only these colors. First I'm going to use my yellow color. So let's start. So this is my fruit piece. Color it with yellow. I hope you can see it like this. Okay. I will color it full with yellow. And it will be like, I will paste it like this. Press it. And please keep water also with you, okay? Keep it like this. And when you take it out, please put more color, maybe 2 times. It will be here. Again, I do like this. I take 2 yellows. It's very easy painting for all of you, okay? Also a child, so it's not. Now I'm going to take my red color. Now I'm going to cut another piece of this fruit. One is yellow. This is my piece. And then wait, let me cut a piece. You will also put the. So this is my second piece, and I'll color it with red like this. I hope it will easy for you. It's easy. Do it like this. You can see. And here, put it. See it? If you like this drawing, please like my video, share and subscribe. Also come. I have mixed red and yellow color to make orange. Orange color also. Okay. Take the painting again. Be here. I'm going to take red color. I hope you liked the drawing. It's very easy. Now we are going to this. Like this. I hope you can carefully. What you do? Take your mix orange again. Make this tea. Okay, like it will be just temporarily. I'll make one more that it will be look beautiful. Now it's time to make leaves. I'm using red leaves also. Know that. Simple fact. So next thing, color it. And we leave one box. This will be color. So I hope you liked this fruit painting, and I hope you liked this, and and when you made it, please send me the photos in the comment box. I think it's not possible to send in comment box. So please, if you make this drawing, you will please send me this drawing on my Instagram chat. The name of my Instagram chat is Sarika Man. Okay, so please go to that channel and please send me on my personal chat, and then I see. Okay, now let me go to my main sitting table. Okay, let's move it. So I hope friends you like my drawing. Let me show you once again. This is my final product, and I hope you also make it. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment how's the drawing is looking. So this is the drawing, and if you are making this same drawing, so please tell me and send the photo in my Instagram. Okay, so so the name of my Instagram is Sarika Man. You can search it and then you will send it on my chat. Okay, bye.